Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make root beer extract. First, gather your key ingredients, including 1 ounce of sassafras root bark and 1 ounce of sarsaparilla root. You'll also need 1/2 ounce of wintergreen leaf, 1/4 ounce of licorice root, and 1/4 ounce of ginger root. Don't forget spices like 2-star anise pods, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 1 tablespoon of whole allspice berries. A large pot and clean bottles are crucial for success. Now let's combine our ingredients. Place all the sassafras, sarsaparilla, wintergreen, licorice, ginger, star anise, cinnamon, and allspice into a large, non-reactive pot. Pour in 4 cups of fresh water, ensuring all botanical elements are fully submerged. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Stir it occasionally to help release the flavors and prevent sticking to the bottom. After reaching a boil, reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer gently. This slow simmering process is essential for extracting all the wonderful flavors from the roots and spices. Continue simmering for at least 45 minutes, or until the liquid has reduced by approximately 1/3. This reduction concentrates the flavors, creating a potent extract. Keep the heat low to avoid scorching and ensure a smooth, rich flavor. Once simmering is complete, remove the pot from heat and allow the mixture to cool completely. This cooling period helps flavors meld further. Next, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Press down on the solids to extract every last drop of delicious, concentrated flavor. Finally, pour your homemade root beer extract into clean, airtight bottles and store in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.